Just moved to the United States and trying to figure out how to manage your money? The US financial system can feel overwhelming. Credit scores, bills, taxes, rent, loans. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a budget that works for you, save money, and build a stable financial future. Here's what we'll cover: how to set up a simple budget, how to manage rent, food, and transportation costs, how to avoid common financial mistakes as a newcomer. Stay till the end for my top money-saving hack that can cut your expenses by 30%. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Budgeting is not just about cutting expenses, it's about taking control of your money so you can live stress-free. As a newcomer, your biggest challenges will be high cost of living, rent, food, transportation, healthcare, unfamiliar financial system, credit scores, taxes, and hidden fees, no financial safety net, no credit history, no savings. That's why a budget is your best friend. A good budget helps you track your income and expenses, avoid debt and overspending, save for emergencies and big goals. Let's start by setting up your budget. One of the easiest budgeting methods is the 50/30/20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% needs. Rent, food, utilities, transportation. 30% wants, entertainment, shopping, dining out. 20% savings and debt repayment, emergency fund, investments, credit payments. Example, if you earn $3,000 per month, your budget looks like this: $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, $600 for savings and debt. Pro tip, if your expenses are high, adjust your spending. Cut down on wants and focus on essentials. 1. Rent and housing. Rent is usually your biggest expense. Aim to spend no more than 30% of your income. Consider house sharing to save costs. Use sites like Zillow, Apartments.com, and Craigslist to find affordable options. Pro tip, some landlords require a credit score. If you don't have one, offer a larger security deposit or get a co-signer. 2. Food and groceries. Cook at home instead of eating out. This can save you $200 plus per month. Shop at discount stores like Walmart, Aldi, or Costco. Use grocery apps like Ibotta and Fetch Rewards for cash back. Pro tip, buy in bulk and meal prep for the week to avoid impulse spending. 3. Transportation. If you're in a big city, use public transport. It's cheaper than owning a car. If you need a car, buy a used car instead of a new one. Compare insurance rates using Geico, Progressive, or State Farm. Pro tip, use Uber, Lyft, or carpooling to save on gas. 4. Credit and banking. Open a no-fee checking account at Chase, Wells Fargo, or Capital One. Get a secured credit card to build your credit score. Avoid payday loans. They have high interest rates. Pro tip, always pay your credit card balance in full to avoid interest. 1. Use budgeting apps. Track your spending with Mint, YNAB, or Every Dollar. Set spending alerts to avoid overspending. 2. Find side hustles for extra income. Try Uber, DoorDash, or freelance work for extra cash. Check gig websites like Fiverr and Upwork. 3. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Review your bank statements for unused subscriptions, Netflix, gym, etc. Cancel what you don't use. Pro tip, use Trim or Rocket Money to find and cancel hidden charges. Mistake 1, not having an emergency fund. Aim to save at least $500 to $1,000 for unexpected expenses. Mistake 2, not tracking expenses. Small purchases add up, track everything to avoid surprises. Mistake 3, using credit cards without a plan. Never max out your credit card, it hurts your credit score. Pro tip, keep your credit utilization under 30% for a better score. And that's it. Now you know how to budget like a pro as a newcomer in the US. Question for you, what's your biggest struggle with managing money in the US? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-saving tips.